In the presence of light, darkness cannot exist. When you are with your breath, the inner chatter cannot exist. That is the formula. Success and failure comes and goes. But are you moving forward in life? That matters. The more and more you empty the mind, the more and more you have more cosmic energy, number one. And number two, you will have clarity. What to do, what not to do.
Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishtavamadeva Vindikam.
So the more you meditate, the more you come out of the repetitive thoughts, the more you will have positive thoughts, miraculous thoughts, creative thoughts, my dear friends. The definition of a successful person is he have achieved something. The definition of a great person is in spite of all the failures, he has moved forward. He is a great person. Are you moving forward with strength? That matters. Okay? So I want all of you to be great people. And when you are great, eventually you are successful.